Man, that's a big fish, Billy. You fucker. I changed my hook too to that fucking other one. Keep reeling, reel.
Okay, he's coming in, boy.
Yes, he is. Reel. Keep real fast,
Oh boy, this reel's not coming in.
Yes, it is. I could see it. He took out a shitload of line, man. He got 40 feet of line took out. Oh, Billy, look at it. That's a monster. He's hooked in his gill.
He's hooked in the side.
Wait.
Gonna lose him.
No.
Buddy, he's only fucking,
Let him go. That's 5 pounder, I tell you.
He's hooked into, he's
hooked into his fucking fin.
Oh, I'm not gonna get him.
Yes, you will.
Oh, he's gone on, but.
That's 5 pounds.
He's gone on. And then we got in the mouth.
He's in his fin. Reel.
He's gaff.
Reel, buddy, reel. He's fucking.
He's gone on again now. What is the char?
Big char. I'm gonna say 24, 25 inches.
This spot?
Yeah, man. He's over 4 or 5 pounds. He's bigger than the one I got. Keep reel.
You had your arms on him too.
Man, he was fucking like that long, man. He's as wide as the hole. I had his head, man. I couldn't get up through the hole, man. I didn't want to pull too hard because the fucking hook is hooked in. It's just his fin.
I know, that's no good, eh? He's gonna lose it.
I'm gonna grab the bastard.
No, he's gone on anyway. Where he's got you.
Keep real. That's good test.
Oh.
No, he's still there. Keep real. He's over this way now.
Oh, he's going on.
No. Keep going real fast. There he is. Ah!
Holy fuck, just done it, look.
Kill it, Billy, kill it. Woo! Monster!
Wow.